In this video, I'm excited to introduce our newest formula, California Keratin. This is a smoothing system made with all natural ingredients, and it's Prop 65 compliant. Isn't that amazing? Which means it's legally approved in the state of California. You'll still get the same silky, frizz-free results you love from Lasio, now in a cleaner, more natural formula. Start by washing the hair 3 times with Lasio's clarifying shampoo. Towel dry the hair, then blow dry it completely. Section the hair and apply California from root to tip, making sure each section is fully saturated. Comb through and gently massage the product into the hair. Then blow dry again on medium heat until it's 100% dry. Now it's time to seal the treatment. Use a ceramic flat iron set at 450 degrees. Pass over each section 7 times, covering the roots, mid-shaft, and ends. For best results, advise your client to wait 24 hours before washing their hair. This formula is enriched with natural ingredients like jojoba oil, coconut oil, aloe vera, shea butter, sunflower seed, and olive oil. It smooths the hair while keeping it healthy and nourished. California Keratin works beautifully on all hair types, including coarse, curly, or chemically processed hair. It's fast, effective solution for clients who want smooth, manageable hair that lasts up to 3 months without harsh chemicals. To maintain the long-lasting results, don't forget to use our Lasio Aftercare line, specifically designed to protect and extend your keratin treatment.